Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, distinguished faculty members, and of course, our...
Hi everybody, we are back to celebrate our students' achievements in the Cambridge English exam. I'm proud to say that we have more than 1,200 top achievers. Congratulations to our award recipients.
Thank you parents and students for trusting in us in making us the #1 in Malaysia. We strive to provide the best English education for all ages.
The awards presentation ceremony has been our annual event for the past 2 decades.
And abstract ideas that may become.
English has genuinely helped me communicate with other people with ease. It also helps me to connect with people from all around the world.
Grow from a shy, lonely kids to become very cheerful and positive, and so as well confident.
What I like learning best in Cambridge English for Life is the combined involvement in various aspects of English, such as reading, use of English, writing, and even speaking.
I enjoyed the speaking exercises and made me feel that I could express myself through my words.
It helped me to communicate, understand other people's cultures, and meet new people.
Nowadays, English is an international language.
Communicate with all people from around the world.
Yes, we got it.
It's definitely because of the syllabus. It's really exciting and it somehow excites me to be creative with my lessons.
When your students approach you and say, "Thank you, teacher," that touches you and makes you feel appreciated and grateful.
I've been so proud to be part of CEFL, and I have been giving a platform to contribute to the growth and success of the students.
My memorable moments are when my students who lack confidence when they start with me are able to achieve levels that they thought were beyond themselves.
Generally, I really enjoy teaching in Cambridge because of the variety of things that I can offer to my students as a teacher.
I felt very privileged and honoured by the achievements of our brilliant students who have made both their parents and centre proud.
I love the National Geographic artwork syllabus. It helps me to develop my vocabulary, grammar, and things that I don't get to learn from school textbook. English has helped me in competitions. Last week, I went to a spelling bee competition and I won 2nd place. The first thing that I like learning there is classroom environment, and the teachers are really fun too and enjoyable.
We feel proud seeing them on the stage today, and because of their great progress and achievements.
Of course, I'm elated and proud to see them up the stage. They have done well and deserve this recognition.
Okay, I have one advice to those parents who want considering to send their children to CEFL. They won't regret at the end of the day.
This has become a good opportunity to the parents out there, so they did not regret later.
It is a language where they can use it. It's globally, it's anywhere. So let's give it a better one. So I think every parent should go for it.
Yeah!